competency assessor. So for our topic is NC3 or Web Development NC3. So first we have the attendance first, then we'll call on Miss Polinar, and then we can also do your message. Next is Miss Alama. With Miss Now we will proceed for this part. As Web Development as an NCP, which we have the basic competencies, common competency, and core competencies, which is utilize software and methodologies, development studies web design, create interactive website, development website backend system. And next is here the competency, which I said earlier. Then we have the qualification summary and our program. Next, before we start, I will now give your assessment agreement or CAS. Please sign at the bottom. And this sign, please. Now, I will explain what will happen to our assessment today. So, you will receive a test package which will contain your task, demonstration, or question and written test. After that, I will give the instructions and then you can begin your working. Then I will also observe your checklist, but I cannot coach you at that point. But you can ask me about the instructions and not the answer. Okay now? Do you have any question?
No.
Now, we will proceed to our session. We are on Ms. Polinar. This is your instruction. You now start working. For we will have our question, which is, how did you decide on the steps you followed in performing your task?
First is the basic of the instruction reading about the focus one on the surface of the
Now, our written test. Thank you. You may now return to your seat. Okay, next is may I call on Alarm. Okay, can we read the instructions? You may now start working. Are you done? We will have our question, which is, if you encountered an unexpected issue during the task, what will be your first action?
You will do some instruction.
You will now have your written test. Thank you. You may now return to your seat. So, thank you. Okay, now I will now review your outputs based on my observation, and also I will be evaluating your performance. I will follow the test and rules of evidence. Okay. Okay, may I call on Ms. Paulina for based on the performance, you did demonstrated good, and I will now give your feedback. So, required procedure. So,
So based on the presented evidence, criminal act, I will give the evaluation and the register. So based on that, you demonstrated good and selected task and followed the report procedures. So I would say that based on the evidence presented, your overall result is competent. Beautiful.
And now I will call on Ms. Alana.
So based on the result, okay, this is your end, then this rating scale. Okay, thank you for waiting. So now, based on the result, you need to improve or for the explanation during our response. So I would say that you can still take it because the result says you're not competent, but you can redo it again and take it. That's all. Thank you. So I will now consider the documents, attendance sheet, or CAS observation checklist, scores, and rating sheet. I will send this or submit this to our assessment center manager. So okay, this concludes our assessment. Thank you, and you may now go. Thank you.